got to make sure I stand on the side here because I'm sure the reason you all are here is because of them. Absolutely. Um, this is I, all the people from the media. I think we've been meeting on a regular basis. So thank you very much. I must tell you all that today is a very, very special evening for all of us at Foxstar Studios. I go back, as I think all of you know, we've been on the ground for only about 5 years. And right from the beginning, one of the big intentions was we've got to do our own home productions. So we started with Jolly LLB, and around that time, we were looking at some of the material we had, and Night and Day was one sort of basic idea which was hugely exciting. And then, of course, I met Sid, and Sid can be one hell of a charmer. But what is more important is that the guy was really passionate about the idea and about just taking the inspiration and then sort of doing a complete Bollywood film and take it to a level which hasn't been seen in India so far. And then, of course, having put in a lot of work with the writers, he then went to Ritik. And we thought, okay, Ritik's on board, the film is going to take off and all that. And then, of course, we went to Katrina, and it was one of those things that you dream of. And Katrina said yes. And of course, she didn't know who she was, who we were. And, we had to introduce ourselves to her and all of that. And I think she remembers that. And then we thought everything is sorted. We've got a script, we've got the most beautiful people and the most talented people in the industry. We've got a great director with a great sense of music and emotions. And then the journey started. All I can say is it's been blood, sweat, and tears. And that's what makes this journey really special, because at the end of the day, I promise you all, we have a film like none that you've seen so far. And to tell you more about, and I think you've obviously seen images of the film in the promo and in some of the song units and the new unit that went out now. And to tell us a little more, I'm going to ask Sid to come on board. Yeah.
Okay, that I'm going to borrow the vest for that. Okay, welcome. I think Vijay has Vijay's kind words for me, for my lovely actors, and I think the film, yeah, it has been a journey of literally blood, sweat, and tears, literally, and I think. The fact, first of all, let's talk about the song. I think, thank you for enjoying the song. I think you guys are liking it because I think this is something we've been really looking forward to showing and getting a response. This has been, okay, I'm a little nervous. I'm not used to this. But this has been a moment that we've been waiting for, I think, especially Vijay. I think, like he said, it's their first production. It's been a very difficult film, a very difficult journey for us, and it's for the first time we're talking about it. And it's a great moment for us that we have Ritik and Katrina, who I like to call upon, who will take the mic from me because I can keep rambling. I might start crying also, I don't know. So, Ritik and Katrina, I present to you all. You look lovely.
Oh, thank you. Hi, everybody. I.
Finally, we have sat down after 3 years of work.
1 second.
Feels like that.
Sorry. Can I just request everyone, when we're sitting, please don't take pictures from down where you are. That's okay.
खड़े हो जाओ सब लोग. भला मेरी सीट आपकी सीट से नीचे कैसे?
मैं कभी कर देता हूँ.
What would you like to say? I want to hear what you want to say, my
I
friend.
think it's time to hear.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it was all my blood and all their tears.
And
That is how it went.
And the unit sweat.
The unit sweat, he cried, they cried, that was my blood. And
Ritik,
literally blood in the brain.
Ritik, Alok here from OFM, आपके second row में. Here.
I love you, man. I remember you. Come on, give me the love. I'm waiting.
We all love you, sir. सवाल ये है कि इसमें आपने माइकल जैक्सन को कुछ ट्रिब्यूट दिया है जो कि खबरों में भी है, अखबारों में भी है. किस तरीके से वो स्टेप्स प्लान किए आपने और वो दिखता है दूसरे अंतरे में?
देखिए, पहले तो सिड ने मुझे कहा कि उनका एक प्लान है. Why don't we do Michael Jackson? I said, are you mad? Michael Jackson, it's impossible, man. I will take like a month to rehearse.
And nothing is impossible for him, as we all know now. It's been what, 14 years? We all know that.
Hey, I'm talking. So, so I actually, honestly, thought it was a wrong idea because you really cannot match up to the master, you know, the god of dance. But then I realized, you know, I have so much love and so much respect, and he has been someone I have idolized all my life. So I said, yaar, itna pyar hai mujhe for his work and for all the contribution that he has made in this world. It doesn't matter how I dance. It doesn't matter if I match up. I'm going to do this for my love for the man who started me off on my journey of dance. So I have done this in my own style. I have not done it like Michael Jackson, but it's his steps in my style. And that's what set me free. When you do something for love, it sets you free. And that's how I went about it then.
कतरीना, आपने काफ़ी एक्टर्स के साथ काम किया है, लाइक आमिर हुए, शाहरुख हुए, ऋतिक के साथ भी. किसकी डांस की स्टाइल सबसे डिफरेंट है, मतलब जिसके साथ आपने सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील किया?
Ritik's, for sure, because his flexibility is too incredible. It's on another level, so it's very difficult. You have to be an incredible dancer to dance next to him, which you have to really work hard for, and you feel nervous because he's got a natural rhythm. I think when he dances, and it comes to him so effortlessly. Sorry.
मिस्टर विजय, क्या होगा प्लान अभी, स्ट्रेटजी, क्योंकि बहुत कम दिन बचे हुए हैं, अब 2 अक्टूबर आने ही वाली है, तो किस तरीके से आप इसको रिलीज करने का सोचा है, प्रमोशन का सोचा है, इफ यू वांट टू?
देखिए, this is from a Foxstar point of view the biggest film and the most special film. So really, जैसे आप जानते हैं, we started with the teaser. The idea was to just give a glimpse of the film, and I think even if I say it myself, I think the teaser has gone and delivered in a manner that was unbelievable and it really represents the film. It's not a teaser that's trying to sort of cheat or show something which is not there in the film, and it shows very little of the film. There is so much more in the film which will unfold as we go forward. I think today is actually, I would say, the formal kickoff of the last 100-meter race as such. So today is going to be now when we start on a daily basis, and that's where I think we need every one of your support. I mean, you know, you guys are as close a member of the team, so if we've had blood, tear and sweat, I want to see the sweat there too. So no, really, seriously, a request to all of you. It's a very special film in which everyone has put their heart, and it's a film that will not disappoint. And it's going to go out the widest film, be it in India or outside of India. And I think I can't really wait for, and I think we all know we've got the best weekend with a 5-day weekend. And yeah, so we can't really wait to get, release the film now.
ऋतिक, स्कूल और कॉलेज के बच्चे आजकल आपकी तरह काउंट करने लगे हैं, 5, 4, 3, 2, एंड देन दे डू डांस वांस करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. आपको ये खबरें मिली हैं, या जो बच्चे ऐसा करते हैं क्या कहना चाहेंगे उन्हें? बच्चे जो ऐसा करते हैं, जो ग्रुप बना करके आपकी तरह बोल के फिर डांस स्टार्ट करते हैं.
यार, it's a position of great gratitude that I have, that मेरे काम से if I can instill inspiration, और अगर मेरा काम is aspirational for the many who want to go through a journey like this, if they have goals, and if they have everyone has dreams, right? If I can impart in helping them, give them hope, give them inspiration to be able to achieve their dreams. I'm just full of gratitude for that. It's an incredible position that I'm in, and I take it as a responsibility. I just adore children, and if I can contribute to their lives, to society, to people, to aspire, that's what films are about. You know, we are here to impart not just entertainment, but we give you a chance to dream, to hope, to understand what is right from wrong. There's so much that we actually absorb from films, and that's what it's all about. It's our service to the world, and that's how I see it. So, thank you, God.
Siddharth, bang bang means it's like action definitely, but उस तरह से उसको relate कर रही है film या bang bang, it could be dance, music, romance. What exactly is?
I think it's a celebration. I think Bang Bang is a celebration of every emotion. It touches a high of every emotion, of romance, of action, of drama, of humor, of scale, visual appeal, stardom, music, everything. So I don't think we could have any other title other than Bang Bang.
Ritik, inspired your ill health in between, you tried to do the stunts on your own. How true is that thing?
We all go through our challenges, and I am the kind of person who enjoys it. Once you enjoy your struggles, once you enjoy your challenges, once you have clarity of thought, okay, nothing really lasts forever, and all that is there in your hands is to put your best foot forward and just keep moving forward, and that's what I did with this. No assumptions that things will go wrong, or just then I just stopped assuming the worst. The best started to happen, and मैं बोलूँ, I'm very. There are a few things that I've discovered through the journey of this film. पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं famous हूँ कि I'm the kind of guy who will lock himself inside the room and get into character and all that stuff. इस film में उल्टा हुआ है. इस film में I have discovered that this Rajveer is me. So when I started to prep, I said, what do I prep? I feel this. It's me. So it was a discovery that actually I am Rajveer. So it became so easy for me. In this film, I have done zero prep. So it's the first film that I have actually been surprised in that way. So it was an incredible experience. Once I overcame my challenges, everything just became easy. This has actually been the easiest film that I have done. In deep contrast to what I was actually going through, the film itself has been the easiest film which I have done.
Katrina, as you said, you have to be a very incredible dancer to match up with Ritik. So do you feel so you are an incredible dancer, or you became incredible after this particular movie?
She's being very modest. She has taught me the steps on the set. What are you doing? That's wrong. You have to do like this. Watch me.
Yeah.
No, actually, what happened is I went into the song thinking I'm an okay dancer. So when we were rehearsing and all that in the hall, we would do it rehearsals. I was thinking I'm doing it so well. I was just showing him because he wasn't dancing much. And I think in that showing him, I got distracted. I stopped learning myself. And then when we got onto the set, you can see clearly who's the better dancer. So I learned a lesson. But the song is a lot of fun. And when you see it, it's a good energy. I think it's one of my favorite tracks that have been in any of my films. When I saw Vishal and Shekhar, I went and I gave them a huge hug. And Siddha gave a small hug.
After Dhoom, you feel you're more confident in dancing, in fact, maybe compared to your last.
After, not particularly after Dhoom, no. I think
Forgot
after...
Chikni Chameli,
Definitely.
Sheila Ki Jawani, you forgot.
He's just asking me anything. He's just anything. I think after Race is when I became more comfortable with dance. Like a little bit more excited about it, a little bit more confident.
हाय आई एम फ्रॉम न्यूज़ स्टेटमेंट नितिन भारती मेरा नाम है ऋतिक मेरा आपसे सवाल है कैसे हैं
मैं बैंग बैंग हूँ यार फुल बैंग बैंग मूड
और आपके नी के क्या हाल है
बेस्ट नीज इन द वर्ल्ड
ऑलराइट गुड
all the problems that you can ever imagine they're there
दैट्स वेरी गुड कि आप बहुत
that
अच्छे हैं
makes them the best knee in the world because in spite of that I can do everything क्या knees हैं my beautiful knees I love you my
नहीं कुछ बीच में इंजरी का सुनने में आया था कि आपने एक गाना इंजरी के साथ शूट किया तो इसलिए मैंने पूछा
पूरी पिक्चर यार, व्हाट गाना.
ऑलराइट हम लोग के पास थोड़ी सी कम बात आई आमिर खान ने आपके पहले गाने को देख के कहा कि काश मैं ऋतिक रोशन जैसा डांस कर पाता। इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट के फेवर को रिटर्न करना चाहते हैं आप कुछ कह के आमिर को, या फिर ऐसी कोई चीज आमिर की है जो काश आप कर पाते, अगर आप बताना चाहें?
जितने कपड़े आमिर ने उतारे हैं उतने कपड़े अगर मैं उतार पाता तो आई मतलब
हाँ, मैं समझ
वहां तक मैं नहीं पहुंच सकता हूँ।
Alright.
काश कभी पहुंच पाऊं, लेट्स सी।